Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, my little cowbell, good evening, traders from across the globe. You know, this came from the CME when I used to go to Chicago all the time when I was a broker. I don't know, 2,000 years ago, whatever the number was. Anyway, welcome to my 2,597th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, wanted to tell you about a couple of things. Of course, the first thing I will always tell you about is risk. This is a very risky game. Never, ever trade without stops. Never get involved in this without putting your protective stops on first before you even enter into your position. This way you've got your protection if something goes wrong. We have had a great month with OMNI, but we had a losing trade the other day, and without a stop, it would have been a major losing trade. We're smart. We use our stops. Please use yours. All right, so for trading on Friday, June 30th, 2023, first, my voice is coming back. I'm feeling 100%. You know what I mean? I'm ready to go. My next video will be out in front of a camera. Thank you for your patience while I had that little stomach virus. But I'm back, kids. During that stomach virus, we had winning trades. It was great. Thank you, Omni. But here we are. What do we do for trading on Friday, June 30th, 2023? Well, the Omni continues to be bullish. It just wants to continue to buy the dips. It does not want to hear anyone or anything. It just likes buying dips, and I'm not going to argue with Omni. So we're buying the dips in E-mini, S&P, Russell, something like that, if we can get a fill for trading on Friday, June 30th. Look at what happened. The Dow is back above. Remember, I've been showing this to you since it started developing. This was a big resistance line up here, the green line. We were under it. We ran up, hit it. Line starts. Tried to get near it 3 times. Couldn't even get near it. Finally, we get back up to it. It stops. We get near it. It has a tough time, jigger-jagging, if you will, around it. Down to the 50. Where it seems to always do something dramatic. So it goes down to the 50-day moving average, and look where it is now, back above that resistance band. And Omni's green, bingo at the 50-bar moving average. It held perfectly there the other day and has exploded since. So I like the Dow. Now, another exciting thing. Check this out. OmniCamp will be in Rochester, New York, the first week of August. If you would like to join me, where I will host an OmniCamp in Rochester, New York, if you would like to join me, you've got to hurry because I've got to make arrangements. Make sure you contact me. Go to omnibootcamp.com. If you're anywhere in the tri-state area, you can make it, up to you. But go to omnibootcamp.com. and fill out an OmniCamp application and let me know you'd like to have it in Rochester, and I will be there the first week of August. Make sure you fill out your applications. Much simpler than you coming to Vegas. I will come to you. Let me know if you want to join me. So, on this daily Dow chart, it looks fantastic, but that's the Dow. Let me show you the leader lately. This guy has been leading us through everything. And let me see if I can just point that out to you. So, then we can, all right, we'll use the Dow. Look at how it stayed inside this channel, right? The channel continued, and then it just exploded in the last 4 days, and it's got room to continue on. So this has been leading. The transportation average has been our leader, and I don't mind following it because it's looking fantastic. Omni would like to buy the dips again for trading on Friday. And then remember this guy? Remember gold? And I said we have an ugly bear flag, and now we're going to change that average, if you will, to a different average. Let's switch out from the 50 to the 100 for gold. And look what happens here. And I've showed this to you in every video. You guys know about this. Look at the gold and the 100-bar moving average and how well it gets respected when gold gets near it, right? Started here. Look at the respect when it gets down here towards it. Rallies out, and then I showed you that we broke it. All right, so now we knew that we broke it. I left that circle there. We broke the average, and I said this is an ugly bear flag. Well, you know what, kids? Formations work. Look at that. You know, it's dropped $80. Gold has dropped $80 since I showed this to you off that bear flag. So yes, formations work, and that worked really well. Now, I would not short it again on Friday. I wanted to let you know that. I think we lay off shorting it again this Friday. Let it be. It is a holiday weekend coming, not a 3-day holiday weekend, so no reversals. But gold's been beat up. It's down $80. I think I would leave it alone as far as short selling on Friday. One more chart I want to show you before I'll let you off the hook, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin. Look at this crazy chart. So I've been showing you how well Bitcoin has been behaving at the 80-bar moving average, right? I mean, look from back here. Look at this. Look at how it behaved here. Look at how it behaved again here. Look at how it behaves here. Look at how it behaved there. Look at these two spots, how it behaved. And then we're back above it now and above this little purple channel. And there's more. It's also in an Oscarism known as the F flag. Let me darken it up for you. So you've got an F flag in Bitcoin, meaning it can stay extended to the upside for quite some time. You held the 80-bar moving average really, really well. And buyers, I think, are going to start to come in. So, as they've been doing all along. So Bitcoin looks great. The 85,000 price in Bitcoin for 3 years, the projection remains valid and intact. And there is a link to sign up below if you would like to join me at the Metastock Conference. It is, I don't know, sometime in July. I think it's July 8th. There's a link to the conference. I believe it's July 8th below. It is an absolutely free conference. No credit cards are required. And I will be doing an hour's worth of technical analysis live for you. So click the link. It's absolutely free. It's right below this video. Sign up for my Metastock performance in, I guess, 10 days, somewhere around there. And I will certainly see you there. And I'll show you some nice dynamic charts and where the market should be going and why and all that great stuff. We'll do that for an hour-long session. If you sign up for the free Metastock webinar, click the link below. Don't forget, I'll be performing a live OMNI in person at Rochester, New York. And if you want to be part of that, that'd be exciting. Make sure you contact me. Everything else you've already seen in the videos. You know what I want to do. I will see you in my trading room on Friday. Remember, keep your emotions out, kids. Say this with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, that is absolutely true. Sign up for my free webinar at Metastock for July 8th and or join me live in Rochester beginning of August. Click those links and you can sign up for any of it. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you all at live.